it. Just gave myself a tongue bath.
Sorry. How's my breath now?
Refreshingly minty.
Oh, who am I kidding? Minty breath, better posture. This stuff's never gonna work. These guys have real skills. I could never speak gopher.
Why would you want to talk to gophers?
Forget it.
Breaking into new cliques is tough, and breaking into bird cages is even tougher.
I just don't get it.